Did some of the prep work already in the raised beds. That's one. That's two. That's a collard green from last year. We're going to let it pop up and seed so we can get some seeds from that. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. That's raised bed number 3. It's ready. Raised bed number 4 has the strawberries in it. Number 5, just put that one in last year. Number 6, it's almost ready. Got some more work to do in there. And number 7, which we were using for herbs mostly, got some work to do on there. And then last year we planted some squash in the round tub kind of thing. And this pile of dirt here, sandy dirt we tried sweet potatoes, but they didn't come out too good. So I think we're going to try it again this year and see what happens. Well, we're into the month of May, and it's that time again to get the garden going. We got strawberries in here, and looks like we got some buds on these strawberries, so it looks like we're going to have strawberries pretty soon. Yeah. Well, last year we put some blueberry bushes in, and they're right over here. 2 of them side by side. This one looks like it's coming back. It's got a few leaves on it. It's trying to come back. This one over here does not look good at all. Oh, wait a minute. There's a little bit of a growth right here, looks like. Yep. And over here, that looks like something's coming back. So maybe the plan was to put them in pots this year, and that way we could control the dirt better, keep track of the acidity, and hopefully get these things going. We were hoping to have blueberries this year, but maybe not.